Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Tutorial. I am Muhammad Adeem Azhar and in this video we comes to know that how to make a simple piston rod. So first of all, click on the top plane and then sketch. Take a circle, click on this point and right here. Now make another circle. Now give its dimension. Make it 42 millimeter, 72 millimeter. Okay. Now take a straight line, click on this point and write horizontal. Give its dimension. Make it 148 millimeter. Okay. Now take a circle, click on this point and right here. Take another circle and right here. Select smart dimension. Make it 42 millimeter. Make it 72 millimeter. Okay. Now select offset entirety. Make it 17 millimeter. Select this line and select bidirectional. Okay. Now take center rectangle. Click on this point and draw up to here. Now select this line and make it delete. Select this line and make it delete. Take a line, click on this point and draw up to here. Select this line and make it delete. Now select trim entirety, trim this circle. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, select this rectangle, make it 23 millimeter, select mid plane. Okay. Now click on the top plane and then sketch. Take a circle, click on this point and draw up to here. Take another circle and draw up to here. Now give its dimension, make it 72 millimeter. Make it 42 millimeter. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it mid plane and 30 millimeter. Okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a circle, click on this point and right here. Select smart dimension, make it 18 millimeter. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it 24 millimeter. Okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a circle, click on this point and right here. Now give its dimension, make it 8 millimeter. Okay. Now move the feature tab, set extrude cut it out. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and write horizontal. Now set smart dimension, make it 109 millimeter. Okay. Set center rectangle, click on this point and draw up to here. Select smart dimension, make it 18 millimeter. Okay. Now take a circle, click on this point and draw up to here. Set trim intensity, trim these lines, this circle. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, set extrude cut, make it 5.6 millimeter. Okay. Set mirror command, set top plane, set cut extrude and make it okay. Again select mirror command, set front plane, set both extrude 3 and cut extrude 1. Okay. Now set fillet command, 2 millimeter. Select this edge, set this line, this line, make it 2 millimeter. Okay. Again select fillet command, select this edge, make it 2 millimeter. Okay. Now give it appearance. Select scenes. Set rooftop. Now set metal and chrome. Set matte chrome. Okay. Click on this symbol using cotton. Now save this part. Now if you want to render the image, Let's close this window and open Solidwork Composer. Open this file. Move on the Render tab. Select Mirror. Select Ambient Conclusion. And select High Contrast. Now you see that our part is completed and is rendered by Solidwork Composer. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.